Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you which project management tool takes the crown in 2025. Is it Clickup or Monday.com? From sleek workflows to team collaboration, we will break down the pros and cons and must-know features to help you pick the ultimate productivity powerhouse. So let's begin. ClickUp is a cloud-based project management and productivity platform designed to help individuals, teams, and organizations streamline workflows, collaborate effectively, and manage projects. It provides a centralized space for task management, time tracking, goal setting, document sharing, and communication. So before you dive into creating an account here, you might want to check first the pricing because that is kind of like a make or break deal before we test the waters and gauge. Now you see, they offer a free forever account, which is best for personal use, which I am using right now. Okay, so the key features are these. And if you wanted to scale up, which is best for small teams, especially we are a group of talented individuals here in GPLabs production. One is handling the research, one is handling the video production, the other is handling the back end, like creatives. So we are using ClickUp, which is best for small teams. For again, it's $7 per month. All right, billed per user per month, and we have all these. It's very important for us to stay effectively and efficient during our collaboration to streamline our workflow. Now, the next thing is, which is the most popular of them all, is going to be the business, which is best for mid-size teams, $12. You get all these. The enterprise, which I highly suggest you book a demo, schedule a call with one of their sales professional. All right. And then from here, just click the free forever. Signing here is a breeze because all I have to do is provide your business, personal, or professional email and just follow the instructions. Once you've done that, you should receive a welcome email from ClickUp. And then all I have to do is click the login button. Now, matter of fact, we have covered ClickUp in the past that you might want to check in our channel. All right, so because again, our team is already using ClickUp, so we know how it is. And let me tell you that one of the key features of ClickUp is that once you are logged in, you can basically create tasks and subtasks. You see this? First of all, in the left side panel of your dashboard, there is the spaces. You can create a space. Now, you can choose the icon name and whatnot. Let me just delete some of the characters. How about this one right here? Okay, description. If you want to make it private, you can do that or share it with your team members. You can use templates if you want. If you do that, these are going to be some of the templates that you wanted. Task list, doc, view, checklist, whiteboard, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Okay, so let me do that. Click on continue. You have all the starter, marketing teams, project management, and click the create space. Now, once you've done that, you would be forwarded here. You have like a multiple view options. You can go for the list view, board view, and if you wanted to click the plus view, you have the Gantt, calendar, talk, board, table, form, dashboard, activity. You have a lot. All right. Now, you can simply click this button right here to add task. For example, this, add a description if you wanted. You can put in assignee, due date, priority. For example, is it going to be urgent, high, normal, low, and clear? You can also add the tags here on ClickUp. It's very easy, and then you simply create a task. It's very easy, really. Now, in terms of the automation, if you click that, it should be forwarded here in this section. You can add automation and integrate seamlessly to other applications that you wanted here on ClickUp. Now, when we head over to our next contender, which is Monday.com, it is a cloud-based work operating system or work OS designed to help teams plan, organize, and track their work in a visually intuitive and collaborative environment. It is commonly used for project management and workflow automation and team collaboration across various industries. If you go to the pricing right here, you want to make a quick comparison with ClickUp. They offer a free account, which gives you a generous free 2 seats. The basic comes at $9. You get all of these perks and benefits. The standard comes at $12. The most popular is the Pro, which is 19, and the Enterprise is again similarly to ClickUp. You might want to schedule a sales call or book a demo with one of their professional team member. Once you've done that, you have the option to choose a product to start with. Is it going to be a CRM, work management, or a dev? But we're gonna choose the work management for now and click the get started button. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. You can use your Google account or your personal or even business email and just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account, you should receive a welcome email from monday.com, such as with this one, and click the get started button. Now, once you've logged in, as you can see, one of the key features of monday.com is the customizable workflows. All right. Now, on the customer workflow, you see, all you're going to do is click the plus button. You can add items to your workspace. You can visualize workflows through the boards that can represent the pipelines. You have the client projects, leads, deals right here. All right. Then also import anything here, any file that you wanted. In terms of the integrations, it can seamlessly integrate with tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Zoom, Salesforce, Jira, and Zapier, because API supports for custom integration. And again, remember the upload button earlier, right here. You can upload and store files related to tasks or projects, link files from cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. All right. Now, I think using monday.com is relatively easy. So you choose monday.com if you prioritize ease of use, visual workflows, and a collaborative environment. All right. It's very easy, really. Now, you choose ClickUp if you value customizable options, detailed features, and a cost-effective solution for growing teams. Because ClickUp is more suitable for scaling complex workflows and processes, while monday.com scales well for mid-sized teams but might require add-ons for complex use cases. But again, ClickUp and monday.com are both excellent project management tools, but their suitability depends on your specific needs, goals, target, and of course budget. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.